here at the Loop Road Education Center walking around the tree snail hammock. This is a hardwood hammock habitat and it is covered by vegetation. We are conducting our workshops, our art workshops at this center, not only because it emphasizes the beautiful nature found in South Florida. We are inside the Big Cypress National Preserve, and the Everglades National Park runs this little 5-acre property that was donated back in the 70s to the park. The education center hosts a lot of programs and a lot of activities for kids in grades K to 12. We are very proud and very lucky to be partnering with the Everglades National Park to offer these workshops to art teachers at the district level, Miami-Dade County Public Schools. We also extended our invitation to every artist and every person in reality that wants to learn more about our wonderful habitat here in South Florida and to connect that habitat with any expression that you're able to produce in a work of art. Our 3 workshops, the first one was dedicated to printmaking, and the title of it was Thematic Linocuts, which connected nature to the idea of reflecting through drawing and sketches and translating all of that into shapes, patterns, and lines that are able to be carved later. Our second workshop, which is the one that we are doing today, is called the Photo at the Loop. And in this workshop, participants are asked to create photographs with the theme of the environment they are surrounded by. They're going to submit around 20 photographs of whatever they want to photograph related to the Everglades and this habitat. And they're going to submit 1 photograph with a common theme as a group. And they agreed upon the theme of shadows. Our third workshop and final one, it's about painting, and it's going to be plein air oil painting. The participants will be able to represent on their canvases the beauty that is right in front of them, and there is a great benefit to reproducing what is in front of you. There is a dual capacity of reproducing and interpreting at the same time. It allows for very detailed observation, and it allows for reflection that is not possible in any other way. So all of these workshops are designed to create an ability to observe, to pay attention to details, to slow down, and to interpret and learn about the wonders of the nature in our South Florida, specifically in our wonderful Everglades National Park and its surrounding areas like Big Cypress National Preserve. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you support us in any way you can. Thank you.